Hi, when you have a kids, buy a house, it's not just only looking for a good school area. The location of the home also very important. Mostly family wants to walking distance to the top schools, but it's very hard to find this kind of home. Here you are. This home is 5 minutes to Warwick Elementary School and 10 minutes to Thornton Middle School and 10 minutes to American High School, and also shorter distance to Northgate Park Trail. And this house is also in the very quiet, friendly neighborhood on the big lot, 6,500 square feet big lot. They also have RV park. Let's come inside, take a look. Welcome in. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,400 square feet, single floor, single family home. The door is facing east, which is the perfect direction for you. Let's come in, take a look. The house kitchen is a brand new quartz countertop, and all the cabinets also brand new, come with appliances, stainless steel appliances. And the entire house, brand new recessed lighting and painting. Really spacious backyard. You can do ADU or expansion for this house. Or kids play in the backyard for entertainment. Extra white lot. They have RV parking. You can park so many cars on the site. Thank you for my listing together with me. We are going to have open house this Saturday and Sunday from morning 11 o'clock to 4:30 afternoon. I will provide some coffee and boba milk tea and cupcakes for you. I hope to see you soon.